Hello.
Good afternoon and happy Camping Friday.
Yep, we are out here in northern central Oregon for a little bit of camping for the weekend.
Yeah, I think this might be one of our last camping trips.
Yep, one of the last ones.
Oh.
Like this.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
You should really watch our other video that we have.
Yep, big changes.
Big changes coming soon.
Yeah, but we are about north of Maupin, Oregon, here on the Deschutes River.
So pretty.
Yep, first time out here exploring. We went up, all the way up, and then came back down and found a nice little spot for tonight.
Yeah.
And yeah.
You want to go take them down to the river?
Sure.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, so pretty.
I wish we could just drive the 4Runner right down here and camp right by the river.
Pretty. All right, we're gonna go back and
set up camp.
Let's go. Ready?
Do this. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh my God. Yeah. One more. And the other side. Well, that was easy. I just put the blankets in. We absolutely love this thing. So much room. And just recently we added a new air core mattress, which is padding, and you can fill it up with air on top of our other one. Hey, come on now, we're like 40s, so don't judge. We got the window, got the windows open a little bit, lots of ventilation. This one goes here too. I got the struts on in case it's supposed to get windy tonight and tomorrow, so I put the strut covers on, so no way it's gonna go up or down or anything.
That's what she said.
We are dialed in.
All right, so.
Camp is set up.
Except
Ish.
Brian has been wanting super bad a light for camp, and especially now that it's getting darker earlier. You know, all we have are like our Christmas lights that we put up around our tent, and we don't really have anything to really light up our tent space. And so Free Spirit Recreation was having an early Black Friday sale, and I may have bought him what he's been asking for a while.
Light.
So
at
we
nighttime.
we got their ready lights.
Oh my.
And man, this thing is a big
Beast.
light.
It's a beast.
It is solar powered. It can be charged on a wall outlet. It can be charged cigarette lighter.
Oh my.
It is something else. You've got 3 lights. They're detachable. You can take them off, hang them up, put them other places. It's got the full light here. It's got just the spotlight here, or these lights.
They can be taken off too.
Yeah.
See?
They're just magnetic, and you can hang them up.
You
There's
got little hooks right there.
Yep.
Or you can screw them in. Just flip those things around, and there you go.
Pretty cool. It also has all of the poles here, so it sits pretty much on a tripod, and it can extend up to 7 feet tall. So we're going to attempt to put this together and see how it works.
You can also charge it inside the box. This thing is connected all the way to here, and then you can connect your wall
Mount charger.
Yep, right to that. So you can just charge it in the box too. And if it's sunny out, you can charge it through the sun.
With the solar panel.
Solar panel. Amazing. Well, that wasn't that hard.
No, it took us about like 30 seconds to put the legs on. So these legs are also expandable. If you click these open, you can expand the
Probably
poles
another
up.
foot, because
Yeah.
I think it's about 6 feet right now.
So it's as high as it's going to go, but it does
Clamp in.
lower down if you wanted to, or raise it up.
Yep.
And then you can adjust this as well.
Yeah, just loosen that, and you can just put it wherever you want.
Yep.
That's what she said.
And it's actually charging right now. You can
Yeah,
see
with the solar panel.
from the
on
solar
back.
panel.
So in order to turn it on, you just press the power button here, hold it down, and then it comes on to the lowest setting here. You click this button, gets a little brighter, gets a little brighter,
Oh my!
and then you've got the spotlights that just turn on here.
Oh my God! That's like, woo!
And then
Spotlight, big time.
you
Oh,
hit it, and then all of it comes on.
holy moly!
And then if you click it one more time, it just takes it back to that lower level setting. And then hold button, and it just powers it off. This will be so great for, especially now that it's winter and or fall. Well, we're still in fall. Fall, winter camping when it gets dark super early. So that'll be really helpful when we're cooking a little bit later, because we don't like to eat at 4 o'clock. So
Yeah, we're not that old, people. Come on.
thank you. This is a huge super shout out to Free Spirit Recreation for their Ready Light high beam solar light. We did pay full price with the 30% off for the Black Friday sale, but we love all of their products. We've gotten our tent from there, and we are not sponsored by them, but we just really believe in their products. So go check out their website.
And this thing is sturdy. It is heavy. We got stakes for it. It's not going anywhere. This thing is heavy,
solid.
freaking duty. So this is gonna last us years upon years.
Yeah, definitely a great investment.
Fridge is a nice 32 degrees still.
I even turned it up to 36.
And Jackery is still at 100%.
Yeah,
A couple hours in.
it's not
Nice.
even pulling any solar or
No,
anything.
it's not
but
even pulling any. But
It's just really not working because
it's really nice.
like 50 degrees outside.
Yeah.
It's actually not a bad 50 either.
No, I'm in long sleeve shirt. So we were supposed to go to the Olympic National Park. I'll just go up the coastline on the Pacific Ocean side. But there's
100% chance.
Yeah, I wonder what it's doing there right now. Yep. Pretty much it. Yep.
It was getting pounded.
Yeah. So, we went east. And I think it was a good idea.
Yeah.
I used to go fly fishing up here with my dad many, many decades ago. Very beautiful. We got some old fashioned oh yeah. And next beer of the night, a Frim Pilsner.
We have got ourselves a little hamburgers and some potatoes. But right now I'm gonna dice up the potatoes, get them all mixed up, and we got some of that yummy pesto garlic sauce. Oh my gosh, this game changer on potatoes.
Dinner was a success. Now everything is cleaned up. We're chilling. We're about ready to go skinny dipping in the Deschutes. Stay tuned for that.
Who's we?
We're just gonna chill here and
listen to some podcasts.
Yeah, podcasts and drink some beer. You know.
And go
old
to bed
people
at
stuff.
like 8:30 because
Yeah.
it feels like it's midnight out.
Yeah. What time is it?
6:36.
6:36.
So, not even 6:45. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
We're
We're
waiting.
live.
We're waiting for the most important meal of the day.
Yes.
Coffee.
Yeah. We had a great night. 14 hours of darkness was amazing.
It was
Man.
cold.
Yeah, it was good. We got up about 5 a.m. Train went by. Loud guy at a truck clanging around. But it was awesome. I put out the time lapse and it's beautiful.
All the clouds coming in.
Yeah.
We woke up at 5. We could see a little bit of the stars come out.
Oh, it was freaking
It was so pretty.
clear.
So we're gonna start breakfast here in a few minutes.
And start the day.
Get all packed up and head on to our next destination.
Yeah, next adventure.
Next adventure. Got our ultimate breakfast sandwich here.
Here we go. Marisa is the best cook ever. Stay tuned. She might be putting out our PNW Adventures cookbook. That's messy. All right, time to get camp packed up.
No, I don't want to. No. Oh, all right.
Oh wait, we didn't snap it.
Oh.
There you go. All right, that is it from Jones Canyon Campground.
On the beautiful Deschutes. Oh my gosh, this was a really good find. Good job.
Love it.
Awesome spot.
Yep.
Although, wouldn't want to be here in the summertime because there is no cover and it would be hot.
It is absolutely perfect right now.
Yes.
But we are all packed up and on to our next adventure.
Yes.
Stay tuned for next week. Where are we going?
I don't know. But let's go find somewhere.
Yeah.
Finally overlanding. What?
All right.
All right. Thanks for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Maupin. Just freaking Maupin it.
So
we got San Diego.
Bids.
San Diego. And then we got Vegas. Or is this gonna go before Vegas?
Before Vegas.
So this is gonna go before Vegas.
So
3 Vegas.
Then this.
3 from
Vegas. And then we
and
just planned a trip to Northern California.
Oh yeah, we're going to Northern California. I don't know what the hell's out there, but
Glass Beach.
there's a glass beach or something.
A lighthouse.
So I can't go barefoot. There's a lighthouse.
The redwoods.
Are we rambling?
We're rambling. But we get to take a shower in a redwood tree. What the?
Man, just the shit you see on Instagram, right? Just makes you want to book
you
it.
in.
Just boom.
Boom.
Like, oh my.
It's our
Look at this.
anniversary trip.
Look at this redwood tree with a shower in it.